Hello, I'm Patricia Robertson, and welcome to Real Estate Practice. We will be doing a lot of important things in this class. You may be wondering why it will be relevant to you. Well, it can be relevant to you for many reasons. I wish I had had this class when I was in college because I think it would have helped me out. When I was about 25, I decided to buy my first house. I had tons of student loans at that time. I didn't have a steady income. I was an attorney at that point, but I didn't know from month to month exactly how much money I was going to make at any given time because I was in my own law practice. So buying a house was a little bit scary. Even though I had the legal background to understand the law about it, it was still a process that was not easy. Anytime you're buying or selling real estate, or at least almost any time, it involves significant value and a lot of complex issues. We're going to cover some of those issues in this class. We're going to talk about how you find property. What's a realtor? How does the realtor help you? What are the jobs of the realtor and how do they have to act ethically? Who pays the commission and how much should it be? We're going to talk about things like the contract. What if you have a problem with the title? Do you need title insurance? Who pays for that again? We're going to talk about appraisal. How do you know you're getting a good deal when you buy real estate? We're going to talk about things like surveys. We're going to talk about leases. You may be a landlord already or someday. You may be a tenant now. A lot of us are. And so all of these issues can be very important to your real life. So we're going to cover a broad variety of topics in this introductory real estate course. I think it will be very useful to you whether you already own property or whether you plan to buy some in the future. A big part of the class focuses on house purchase, but also a lot of these same complex concepts can apply to purchase of commercial real property. So why in the world am I teaching this class? Well, when I came here to A-State, I had come from Franklin, Tennessee, which was a booming community. So when I graduated from law school with all that student loan debt, I basically was looking for a great way to make a living. And so I sort of accidentally stumbled into a practice that involved a lot of real estate law and real estate closing issues, as well as leasing, representing developers, representing builders, and a large group of my clients were lenders or banks. So I stumbled into that, but I realized quickly how much I loved it. It's a very exciting field, filled with challenges. Everything's always urgent. It has to be done yesterday. Downside was I didn't get a lot of vacations during that 20-year career, but the upside was I really enjoyed my clients and I felt that I was helping them to get the best possible experience in real estate investment and ownership. So hopefully my expertise will help you with some of the things that we're studying in this class. Also, I wanted to mention to you that I have two children. Both of them are recent A-State graduates. They had a great experience here. I want you to have a great experience here. So please do reach out to me if you have anything that you would like to discuss, whether it be about the class, about your future career plans, about anything else going on at A-State, any advising questions you have, whatever it may be. I would love to have a conversation with you, either by video or in person, or we can also certainly email, or you can call me. My email is probertson@astate.edu. My phone number is 870-972-2300, or you can also see me in Office 302 in the College of Business. I do want to warn you, I will be out of town for about a week in this month. I will be traveling with the Phi Beta Lambda students to Baltimore for the National Leadership Conference. But even then, I will try to be available by phone or email as much as possible. So I don't want that to hold you back from contacting me at all. I will certainly try to put my classes as my highest priority for this month. So anyway, let me know what I can do for you. And thank you so much for signing up for my class. I will look forward to getting to know you better throughout this month. Thank you.